Idinaos ang isang annual photo convention sa Makati. At yan ang Photo World Asia, hatid ng Federation of Philippine Photographers Foundation. Kung saan ito ay dinaluhan ni former DOT Secretary Mina Gabor at Undersecretary for the Consumer Protection Group ng DTI, Attorney Teodoro Pascua.
I'm excited, no? Kasi it's been a long time, no? That I have not seen a photographic exhibit. And in DOT, photography was part of our promotion. Without the photographs, wala pa digital noon eh. Wala pa lahat ng mga social media. So photography was really our main attraction. I think that we should really go with the change, no? So whatever it is now that is happening in the digital world, we should be able to marry the two industries together.
You can say photography was adapted into technology, but on the other hand, you could say technology adapted to photography because photography was first before technology came in. Secretary Gabor hit it right at the head of the nail, you know. There has to be a marrying. You cannot put one without the other. Technology will keep on going, but there were things that have happened before that apparently we cannot get away from. Photography is definitely one of them.
Tampok sa 4 days convention ang ilan sa mga suppliers and brands ng samot-saring accessories ng mga kamera, mga makabagong teknolohiya at marami pang iba. Hindi rin mawawala ang exhibition ng mga naggagandahang larawan kuha ng ilang camera clubs. Mas naging makabuluhan din ang convention dahil sa mga workshop at talks na ginanap.
My topic will be on conceptual photography, meaning how I come up with these concepts, how I do the shoot, the type of editing I do, and how I bring everything together. For me, you can use AI to enhance or to aid in your photography, in your videography, but you should never use it to replace, what you're doing.
Photographer ako mula nung ako'y 16 years old. Nag-umpisa ako na photographer. Ka-attend ko dito sa Photo World, nadagdagan ang nalalaman ko. Maraming nadagdag sa akin dahil sa mga seminars na binibigay ng Photo World.
Malaki ang ambag ng nasabing convention dahil sa pamamagitan ng mga ganitong pagtitipon ay napapalakas ang bawat artist sa nasabing larangan at mas nagiging bukas ang lahat sa pagbabago sa teknolohiya.